Hey, Arizo. Arizo, bro. Everybody go to a chat. Everybody get a chat, man. Yeah. I'm at the airport. I'm going to steal a chat at the military base. I, I'm gonna go steal a chat at the military base. We can go all over the map in 1 minute or 2 minutes. Everybody just chilling, you know? In the air. In the air. Arizo costs the highest value of damage. Arizo is winning. Oh, Arizo win. Ay, 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 ay. I'm Johnny on the spot. I hook you up. I'm gonna steal a chat. I'm stealing a chat in military. You don't know where military at? Yeah, I'm going military. I'm broke. I don't have a chat. I need to steal one. Ariza, I got it. Whip. Oh. This is United Air Force. You need to move or you'll be eliminated. Arizo. Arizo, go steal a chit, bro. What the fuck? You're in the wrong way. Alright, call your chit, man. Ah. Watch out, the cops is on the way. Hey! The cops are easy, you see? The cops. Damn, Marisa crash. Marisa crash. Go. No! Fuck! Mayday, we're going down, mayday. Mayday, we're going down. Ooh! Oh, I died, man. Pick me up, bro. Hell yeah. Damn, what the
going on? So you don't want to get in serious trouble, huh? Okay, leave it with me.
Yeah. Oh, bro. That's not me. What the fuck? Why? Yo, why'd say I'm the one who destroyed it? No, he'd say that I'm the one who destroyed that kid. I think because I'm a passenger. What the fuck? Come on, man. I want the same kid, Ariso. What happened, bro? I cannot get in. I can't. What? Oh, nah. Bro, let me fly that shit. I really want to fly that shit. The one that you just destroyed, this one. This one, bro. FTA 025. Bro, let me have it. Let me have it, bro. Woo. What the fuck? Bro. Alright, sporty, you know I gotta kill you. You know I gotta kill you, bro. Where are you, bro? Where's sporty, man? Sporty, do you know I'm a good fighter? Watch out, Sporty. Watch out, Sporty. Watch out. Alright. I don't have it. I'm a low rank. Oh! 2-1. The thermal. Thermal. No worries, no. It's 1v1. Stop. Please. Amigo. Amigo, please. It's friendly fire. It's not just like, you know. Where are you? You gotta shoot my... Oh! Damn, bro, that's dirty. Oh no, I'm right here. Yeah, you're good. They're good, man. Hey, I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry, man. I'm telling you, man. Oh, that's 4-4. Wow. Bro, I ain't gonna lie. Who's with me? Who's with me? You gonna run me over? No, Ariso, no. Ariso, get out of here. Well, I saw you now. Oh, I killed a civilian. Oh, I killed you now. It's a lucky shot. What the fuck? Oh no. Oh! What the fuck? Bro, he killed me. The last second he's about to die. Oh, watch out now. Oh, daddy. Oh, I'm sorry, bro, daddy. Oh, I'm about to play dirty. Oh, what? Oh, yep. It's gonna be easy. I eat snack. You gotta fast. You gotta eat. You gotta eat the snack fast. No, I eat the snack so I don't die early. Look, I'm eating snack right now. Oh no, no, no. Oh no, bro, what the fuck? Damn. That's a lot of snack I just ate on that. Damn. No Spanish. A little. I'm sorry, partner. I gotta use these on you. A little bit. But I don't know it too well. One shot. Oh, the cops killed the shit out of it. How the hell? Oh my goodness, I got two more. Oh, hey. I think so. Wait, let me kill you. Oh no, bro, that's too fast. Oh, that's 8-8 now. Wow, that's fast. Oh my God, I'm gonna lose this fight. Oh yes. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah. Oh my God, that's a final shot, bro. Oh no, don't accept that. Don't accept that. Oh no, that's over. Yeah, that's it. I lost. Don't shoot me, bro. Give me that shit, bro. Yeah, I lost. I like what I like is on a cheat. What I like to do is on a cheat. Where's your cheat? You cannot. You exploded? Oh my God. No, it's time for me an S-stick. No, why S-stick destroy that plane, bro? You crazy. Arisa, where are you? They didn't even do Arisa, man. Arisa don't like that we fight, he left. Where's Arisa? He left, yeah. Hurry, he's coming, hurry, I'm here. Bro, he's about to destroy it again, okay? That's, what? fight you, bro. You lie, bro. Bro, I got burned. You gotta get burned, bro. Look at him right here. He shit me up, bro. What happened though? Oh, alright, my bad. I'ma go and find the resource, okay?